Hello guys, Daddy here, and today we'll talk about AI and YouTube. I was thinking the other day, can YouTube help you write your videos? So you've seen a lot of people when they have a script already planned, what they'll talk about in their video, just copy paste it, run it with Apple Intelligence, and see like what it suggests them, if they can use something of what it suggests, and rearrange their script, or if it gives them a new idea. So I was thinking, okay, can I use ChatGPT to write me a script for a video, maybe even write the description, the hashtags, pretty much everything, and all I have to do is to learn it, film it, edit it, and post it. So first, we're gonna check how many ideas it will give me for tech YouTube videos. Then I'm gonna choose one of these ideas and I will make him write me a script. Sometimes he gives shorter, sometimes he gives longer script, depending on what you want. Then I'm gonna ask him for a description and see if he can suggest something else for my video. So let's see how ChatGPT performs. First, I want to show you an already generated script by ChatGPT for a YouTube video over the topic, the key features of Apple Intelligence. I want it to be a little bit longer because usually ChatGPT writes you like 5 to 6 minutes video like length, and this is how long the script will be. I like to make my videos like 8 to 10 minutes, so this is the longer version. We have intro, even shows me the timestamps, b-roll of Apple Park, cinematic mode, cut into graphics, Apple Intelligence, everything you need to know. We have section 1, what is Apple Intelligence, and visual suggestions as well, and it tells me what am I supposed to say. We go to section 2, which is Privacy First AI. After every section, there are visual suggestions. Section 3, system-wide AI features. We have writing tools, priority notifications, image editing with Magic Eraser, and Genmoji as well. Section 4, we have Siri gets a brain transplant. Section 5, ChatGPT integration, because ChatGPT and Siri are working together right now. We also have section 6, app intent and semantic understanding. Section 7 is device compatibility. Section 8, when can you get it, aka when it's coming. And we have a wrap up, aka this is the outro, what I have to say, call to action, comment down below something, subscribe, the outro music, and here I even generated a description. So pretty much it writes everything you need to know for your video, and all you have to do is just learn it. And I have to say that sometimes ChatGPT is saying it better than I would have said it myself. And I'm not gonna lie that sometimes I'm referring to it to see if I can say something that I want, but just make it more friendly, say it better or more professional, depending what it is. So now let's see what it can generate us. Now we're going to ask GPT to give us a tech YouTube ideas, and who knows, maybe I'll end up using some of them in my next videos. So give me tech YouTube video ideas, and let's see what you will come up with. So tech reviews in comparison, iPhone versus Android 2025, which one wins this year? We have best budget laptops for student. Next we have tech experiment and challenges as well. We have educational explainers. This is also good, like how you can use your laptop, for example, to study, or iPad. How to's or any tutorials, news and reactions as well. So we have 25 new tech ideas. For example, here we have how to boost your internet speed at home, 5 real tips. How to set up a smart home on a budget. How-to videos are very popular. For news and reaction, reacting to Apple's latest keynote, We're the Hype. We are doing this, and I have to say that stay tuned for WWDC. We will be reacting on this as well. Why everyone's talking about human AI pin. Explain what is the Microsoft OpenAI deal means for you. So as you can see, it generated tons of ideas which you can use. If you want more, just type in, write me more ideas. So now let's get one of these ideas and ask ChatGPT to write us a YouTube script for that idea. ChatGPT gave us many ideas for tech videos, but the one that I'm gonna be using in today's review is called, can a $300 laptop handle video editing? So I will copy this idea and pretty much say, write a script for YouTube over the topic, and I will paste it, and let's see what it will generate us. Sure, here is a complete YouTube video script. So the title, can a $300 laptop handle video editing? You might be surprised. So first we start with the intro. It even tells me it has a B-roll fast montage of the laptop opening, video editing software, clips being cut. What I have to say, video editing on a $300 laptop, is that even possible? Today, I bought this budget-friendly machine to the test to see if it can handle basic to moderate video editing. Spoiler alert, the results actually surprised me. We have segment 1, the laptop specifications. Of course, you have to present the laptop first, so people can know what exactly you will be testing and how it can handle it. Segment 2, installing the editing software if you haven't already installed this, depending on if you're buying a brand new machine or not. Segment 3, real editing test. So you put in some videos, or maybe the video that you already started, you plug it in there and start testing. You have on camera, we have voiceovers as well. Segment 4, pros and cons. Is it good? Is it bad? So surprisingly decent for basic edits, portable and affordable, works fine with lightweight editors. The cons are lack with heavier timelines, long render times, storage fills up fast. If you get lower specs like 256 gigs, of course, it will take up space faster. Segment 5, who is this for? And we have the outro. So you see, this is like a shorter video. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do exactly the same thing, but write me a little bit longer script, because 5 minutes, honestly, they're not cutting it for me. So here it is, and here is what we're gonna do. Here's what to do next. I want to take the script that ChatGPT already gave me, but write it a little bit longer, because as you can see, it gave me like a 5-minute video. If you want a quick video, like a summary, can this laptop do this and that? Yes, but I want it to be a little bit longer. So here's what we're gonna do. Write a longer script over the same idea. Absolutely, here's a detailed and extended YouTube script, roughly 7-8 minutes runtime. So we have full test plus honest verdict. Now we change the title a little bit, and here's where we're going. We have the a little bit longer intro, B-roll, clips of the laptop spinning on the desk, editing footage playing, lag, freeze moment. Section 1, meet the laptop. Again, you're just telling the specifications, what this laptop is, brand, like RAM storage, you know, how much is your SSD, everything. Section 2, setting up for editing. Basically, you're preparing CapCut desktop, Shortcut, DaVinci Resolve, any software that you are using. Section 3, testing editing performance. This you're gonna take a little bit longer. So test 1, 1080p footage, basic cut, transitions. Test 2, add titles, color grading, light effects. Test 3, exporting the final video, because sometimes it takes longer, and this is when you decide, okay, it's taking too much, I can wait that much. Then we have section 4, pro, cons, and surprises. So we have, can handle simple video edits with lightweight software. Multitasking is rough. Don't even open Chrome while editing. You know this is a bad thing. You're supposed to be working on your laptop while you're rendering. Section 5, who should consider this? aka, will you recommend this laptop to someone who's hardly editing, or someone who just wants basic edits? And you have the outro. Would you like a downloadable version or visual storyboard to go with this? If you want, yes, ChatGPT can render it to you. You can write you a PowerPoint presentation or even a PDF file. So let's see if I can write a description over this video. Filming the YouTube video is not the only thing that you have to do. When you start uploading, you have to write the title, you have a thumbnail, description, and keywords. So I want to ask ChatGPT if it can give me a description and some keywords over this topic. So write a description over this video and some keywords. Let's see what it will come up with. Absolutely, here's a YouTube video description and a set of CEO optimized keywords. Can a $300 laptop handle video editing? So here's the video description. Budget laptops are more accessible than ever, but can you actually edit videos on one? In this video, I put a $300 laptop through a real-world video editing task using free software like CapCut and Shortcut. From importing footage to editing timelines, adding effects, and rendering the final video, I tested everything so you don't have to. Now we're going with the laptop specification, software that you used, Whether you're a student, a beginner content creator, or just on a budget, this video will help you decide if cheap laptop can actually get the job here. And here we have some keywords actually gave me so much, like 300 laptop video editing, budget laptop video editing test, cheap laptop for video editing in 2025, can a 300 laptop handle editing, and so much more. We even have, would you like a thumbnail suggestion too? So maybe we should even make ChatGPT get us a thumbnail and see how it goes. As you can see, ChatGPT can do anything. So instead of being against AI, maybe you should welcome it and say, hello, let's be friends, let's help each other. Probably AI will help you more than the opposite. But you have to say, I've used ChatGPT to help with my descriptions over the YouTube videos because I write what I think. And sometimes I just copy this, paste it ChatGPT and say, hey, can you transform this to make it a little bit more attractive, to get the viewers' attention as well? Because some people also read YouTube descriptions. Yes, I don't do it on every single video that I watch, but at the same time, I still do it. And I want to pay attention to my descriptions to make them good, like, so people, when they read it, they can get like a hook. So nowadays, like, you can even use it to plan your videos. Yes, I don't think it can shoot it for you. You have to do the work yourself. But after all, if ChatGPT or AI does everything for you, where is the joy? Where is the fun? So after all, you're in front of the camera, but it can help you out with the script. It can, with the description, it can give you keywords, anything you want. So let's say, hello YouTube video editing and hello ChatGPT. Okay guys, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below, will you ever use ChatGPT to help you out with your YouTube videos? Or you want to do everything alone? Sometimes I have to say, yes, I prefer to do it by myself because after all, I'm planning this, it's my video, I have some ideas. But I'm not gonna lie that I think I wanna use ChatGPT to help me out with some things, like how I want to say this so it can stay with the hook, to say it better. Because usually I don't pay attention to when I'm talking, what I'm saying, but sometimes, it can help you out, especially if you want to focus on a recent like tech drop, or you want to do rumors and leaks or any reviews, just to stay on the hook and make the viewer stay to the end of the video. ChatGPT can help you with that. But that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Please smash that like button if you like this video, share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos, and I'm gonna see you next time.